If a pipe is leaking, the water on the floor is the symptom. The cracked pipe is the cause. But what caused the crack? Maybe it froze because the building's insulation was inadequate. That's the root cause. Understanding this three-layer structure is essential to RCA. A symptom is what you see, the thing triggering the alarm. A cause is what produced the symptom. A root cause is the deep underlying condition that, if corrected, prevents the problem from ever returning. In a real manufacturing case, a team kept scrapping defective parts. Symptom: out-of-tolerance dimensions. Cause: a worn cutting tool. Root cause: no scheduled replacement interval. Tools were only changed when they failed. Introducing a preventive maintenance schedule eliminated the defect entirely. When you understand the difference between these three layers, you stop wasting effort on surface fixes and start making changes that actually stick.